Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. For today's topic, I'll be teaching you how to fix preparing automatic repair on Windows 11 or 10. If this shows on your screen, click on the Advanced options and then click on Troubleshoot. After that, click Advanced options and choose Startup Repair and see if this time it can automatically fix the issue. But if not, then do this. Click again on Advanced options, then click Troubleshoot, then choose Advanced options. In here, choose Command Prompt, then type this in and click Enter. Wait for it to finish and type this another command and hit Enter once again. When it's done, exit the window. Now click on the Continue to restart the computer. This method should be able to fix the error or the problem. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.